This time, I'm not going to tell a story. This is real and it happened, guys. I'm going to tell you how I made a profit of 60% on my investment in a short span of time. If you are first time here and want to learn about stocks, trading and other cryptocurrency kind of stuff, simply start now by clicking subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the latest updates. What's up guys, it's Jashwant Kadiala and you're watching Investing with Mr. J. Okay, coming to the reasons why I had invested in it. The reason number one is there are only two leading crypto exchanges in India, and the reason number two is I have already missed a similar initial exchange offering of one of the biggest crypto exchange in India, and I don't want to miss right now. The reason number three is I have studied the company and I love their architecture and how the things are planned. And the reason number four is I like to invest in trusted initial exchange offerings. So as I said in my reasons that I have missed a similar initial exchange offering. Okay, so I had missed the initial exchange offering of Vazrix, which is one of the leading crypto exchange in India, where the token is released with an initial price of 4 cents and it has reached the heights of 20 cents within a span of 1 year and it's currently trading at 12 cents. So coming to the company which I had invested in it is BitBNS. It's another leading crypto exchange in India led by a group of IITians. Okay, it provides exchange services between crypto to crypto and crypto to fiat currency pairs, and it has a daily 24 hours volume of 2.5 million USD, a half million less than Vazrix. And BitBNS is going to announce its IEO initial exchange offering and it's planning similar steps like Vazrix. And I had managed to buy some of the tokens in the free public sale event, which is simply a sale for early investors before the token goes to the public sale. Okay, the BitBNS pre-public sale is designed in four phases where the token price is initially starting from 0.008 US dollars and it is incremented by 0.008 US dollars for each phase until phase 4. So I managed to buy 1250 tokens in phase 1 and 5720 tokens in phase 2 and 2352 tokens in phase 3. And coming to the final phase 4, I had managed to buy 1171 tokens. Finally, I had invested an amount of 17,000 rupees by the end of May 2020 and the public sale is going to happen in few more weeks. So currently I'm holding a tokens of 10,493 tokens which are valuing around 26,862 rupees. So I had a profit of 10,000 rupees which is around 60% of my investment which I got return in a short span of time. I'm not recommending any of them to get into these type of investments, but I'm just showing how you can amplify your investments so that you could get higher returns. Now, after public sale happens, I'll be holding these tokens for around 1 year because the reason is there are only two leading crypto exchanges in India, as I said, and both of them released nearly same number of tokens with nearly same prices. So I'm expecting that there may be an increase in the price of BNS tokens up to 1.5 times by the next year. So guys, if you're starting from the scratch and don't know how to get high returns on your investments, make sure you watch our first two videos and subscribe to our channel. And the last is hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the updates.